So the India Day today at Automatica highlighted the opportunities and possibilities for the robotic and automation industry in India. We had around 65 plus participants, a very lively panel discussion where the panelists shared their views on doing business in India, also potential for automation in India, and especially how the mid-sized Indian companies can benefit from automation and how it can help in the growth of the manufacturing industry in India. Also, the Honorable Consul General, Mr. Shatrughan Sinha, graced the occasion and spoke about the Indo-German projects in science and technology field, which have huge potential for the German companies and the Indian industry coming together. So thank you for all the participants who came for the India Day session, and looking forward to a stronger Indo-German collaboration in the field of robotic and automation.